How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny hands, step-by-step instant gains. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So first exercise we are going to do is going to be extensions like this. 25, keep going. 50, keep going. This is going to be intense, you guys, just so you know, this is not an easy workout at all. 80, keep going. 100, keep going. 125, keep going. 150, keep going. 175, keep going. 200 repetitions, we're then going to do this. Wiggle your fingers back and forth. This is a finishing exercise. It's really good to get veiny hands. So your hands are already probably pretty sore. This is really good. Wiggle them as fast as you can. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Almost there. Okay, you guys. So that is the end of the first set. That's not the workout at all. That's the first set. I want you to take a 1-minute break. I want you to redo it. In total, I want you to do 10 sets. So for this exercise, you'll end up doing a total of 2,000 repetitions for the workout. This workout should take you about 30-35 minutes to do, depending on how fast you do it. You can do this workout every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I've been doing this workout for over 8 years. It's amazing. Here's the thing. Most of you probably won't be able to get all 10 sets. That's fine. If you can only do 5 sets, stop at 5 sets. Don't really hurt your fingers. Don't go too far. If you can only do 5 sets, 3 sets, 4 sets, whatever, stop. And then the next day, just try to get an extra set. Eventually, you'll be able to get all 10 sets because your hands will get used to the volume. This is one of the best exercises to get veiny hands. You need volume. That's why there's so many sets, so many reps. You need volume to get veins in your hands. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.